It's Wednesday, March 4, 2020. This is our NorCold refrigerator, and we just put this new display panel in. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't turn the power button. We're trying off the DC. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, no! It came on!
It should be on. I'll go right to gas.
Right. There it goes.
Yep,
Yes.
that's it.
No!
It worked. Now, to do that, we had to change this old display, optical display it's
Well,
called.
it's a little loud there because it's kind of tight in here.
That's loud?
I was, uh-oh.
Oh, what?
0?
Ooh, we got an error code. We have an error. I smell gas. Turn it off. Okay, I wonder what that was about. We're going to go turn the AC power on and see what happens. Then we'll, I don't know. Let me find out what that means, huh?
Maybe the
Wait a
temperature wasn't set. I don't know. We'll see where you'll put the...
Well, yeah, but if I put electricity on, we're not going to know. The AC on, we ain't going to know about that. Hold on, I'm shutting this off.